Four persons, 3 men and a woman, were arrested in connection with a drug seizure by members of the Narcotics and Manchester Division at Spur Tree, Manchester, on Monday, May 4. Reports are that about 8:45 p.m. the team carried out a coordinated operations at 2 premises in the area. During the search, approximately 8,700 pounds of compressed ganja were seized. The estimated street value of the illicit drug in JMD 35 million. One motor vehicle were also seized in the incident. The identity of the persons taken into custody are being withheld pending further investigation. The police are appealing to anyone with information that can assist them with the investigation to contact the Narcotics Division at 876-923-5729. The police 119 emergency number. Crime Stop at 311 are the nearest police station. Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.